Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Learning Hub. If you missed episode 1, go back and watch it now because today's story continues Jack's adventure. Last time, Jack found a treasure map in the attic. Now, he's ready to follow the map and solve the mystery. Are you excited? Let's dive in. The next morning, Jack woke up early. He packed some snacks, a water bottle, and the map. Then, he set off toward the riverbank. The path on the map was long and winding, but Jack didn't mind. He loved adventures. After walking for an hour, Jack reached the first obstacle, a rickety wooden bridge. The bridge looked old and shaky. Jack hesitated. Should I cross it? He wondered. But then he remembered the treasure waiting for him. Taking a deep breath, he stepped onto the bridge. Slowly, carefully, he made his way across. On the other side of the bridge, Jack saw something strange. There was a tree with a big hole in its trunk. Inside the hole, there was a small box. Jack opened the box and found another clue. The clue said, "Look under the rock near the river. You're getting closer." Jack followed the clue and walked toward the river. He looked around for a rock. Finally, he spotted one near the water. Jack bent down and lifted the rock. Underneath it, he found a shiny golden compass. What is this for? Jack thought. He turned the compass over and saw words engraved on the back. The words said, "Follow the arrow. It will lead you to the treasure." Excitedly, Jack held the compass and watched the arrow spin. When it stopped, the arrow pointed toward a cave hidden behind some bushes. Jack smiled. "This must be it," he said to himself. Thank you so much for watching. What do you think Jack will find in the cave? Stay tuned for episode 3 to find out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. See you next week for more fun English learning at the English Learning Hub. Bye for now.